Today I'm going to be showing you how to publish a Moon Animator animation to Roblox. Okay, so first, open Moon Animator and make your animation. Okay, once you're done with your animation, do File, Save As, name it whatever you want, then click File again, then click Export Files, and then go File, Import, and you should have your animation right here. And then click File again, click Save, and then in Anim Saves, there should be the save right here. And then just click Save/Export, and then click Save to Roblox. Name whatever you want, save, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, or it helped you in any way, please consider liking or subscribing. It really helps me out. Bye.